G'day everyone. I'm just going to get me lunch at Red Rooster, which is a chicken place here in Australia, and I'm just about to order.
Welcome to Red. Please place your order.
Yes, can I have an original crispy mega box, please?
Was it a large?
Yes, please.
Yes. No, I've got a cake for the drink.
Yes, thank you.
Anything else today?
No, thanks.
Would you like to add on 10 nuggets for $5?
No, that'll do, thank you.
Draft one when you're ready.
Cheers, thank you. There you go, I've just said thank you about 20 times. Yeah, they try to upsell you here. Would you like nuggets? Would you like this? Would you like that? Would you like upsize, small size, left size? Okay. Okay, here we go. There you go.
Large original mega box.
That's the one, yes.
That's $15.70.
Good to see you got gloves and a mask on.
Yeah.
I wear gloves at work, but mask I can't be bothered.
It's different.
Yeah, well, I work across the road, so basically with the water you can't wear the mask, it's just spray everywhere. Thank you very much.
No, it's only too long.
No worries, cheers. Yeah, so basically now I'm just waiting for my lunch. Original crispy mega box, I think it's got a burger in it and a couple of pieces of chicken, something like that. We'll find out in a minute. Yes, in Australia here we have KFC, which everyone knows is Kentucky Fried Chicken. Had to think about it for a minute. And Red Rooster. Red Rooster is an Australian owned company, well it was, and basically they're like KFC, but instead of frying their chicken they barbecue it, so it's not too bad, just something different. And I was talking to the girl at the window here, and she's got a mask on and gloves, so which is pretty good, especially with this coronavirus going around. It's better to be safe than sorry, as they say. Okay, got my Coke here. Yes, and you finally saw me without a hat or a cap. There you go. I've got bugger all hair anyway, that's why I wear a hat, because especially with Australia's sun. Oh, thank you very much. You too, take it easy. Bye bye. As I was saying, with Australia's sun, I get sunburn on top of my scalp, which isn't fun at all. So basically I always wear a cap, and usually I just shave my head every so often. I'm not really fussed about not having too much hair. I just out of habit now I wear a cap. But anyway, I'm gonna stop this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna go and eat my lunch. Okay, we're back here in my car, and this is basically what I've ordered. That's large chips or large fries, as you can see there. So a packet of large fries. You got 2 chicken wings here, crispy chicken wings. Underneath is a little tub of potato gravy, you can see it there. And we've got a chicken fillet burger. Sorry about the camera work, because I'm trying to balance everything. So chicken fillet burger, and yeah, I'm gonna have my lunch now. I don't think you guys want to watch me eat. Yeah, so I'm gonna have my lunch now, and yeah, take care of everyone. And that's what I'm eating, Red Rooster. So there you go, Red Rooster.